So I'm working on this John Deere Mower Deck here, 48-inch. Doesn't matter, 42, 48, doesn't matter. But this pulley seized up. I'm gonna start rubbing and it wore the stud off. So I'll show you how I repair this. I get a used stud off an old Mower Deck. You can stop by old John Deere dealership, see if they have a used Mower Deck that's no good. You can just cut it off. So I'm gonna just cut this off like this. This is in the way, so I'm gonna have to take this off here. 22mm socket. Now I can go this way and all the way that way. I'm gonna keep the blade flat all the way like this. I'm not gonna go on an angle. Now it's cut flush. So I cut this one off another Mower Deck. So I'm going to center that up here. That I'm going to put it straight. I'm just going to tack it. I should make sure it's straight. Go a hair this way. There, perfect, right there. Tack it on this side. That looks pretty good. I'm gonna go all the way around. Finish welding it up there. Just gonna grind it here. Yeah, that looks pretty strong. My weld went a little too high here, so I'll get a hacksaw it off here. Perfect. Let's say you don't have a stud like that. You're gonna have to measure distance from here to here, which is 20 mil, and the distance here and here is 17. So I need a 17 mil bolt. Of course, this is not a 17 mil bolt. I don't have one, but this is just for reference. So this will be cut off. So you put that in the middle. You shim this to 20 mil. I added a nut and a washer. So that's exactly 20 mil. So you can weld a 17 mil bolt just like that in the center, and then that'll work perfectly fine as long as you use 17 mil nut. And put a washer in the nut like that and just tighten her up just like that. I've seen before they drill right straight through, then you put your nut and bolt this way, shim it up 20 mil and put the nut underneath and tighten it up. That'll work too. But I like to weld mine because it won't vibrate off or get loose while you're mowing lawn. All right, I'm gonna degrease this a little bit. Put a little bit of flat paint here first. a brand new pulley on there. Alright, I'll put this back on here. Put this up here, put it back down. Good. Now put the guard back on here. Alright, if you liked this video, first thumbs up below, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.